Stop scrolling. If you're a developer, you need to hear this. Everyone says Python is the best programming language, but here's the question. If Python is so amazing, why do banks, airlines, hospitals, and companies serving millions of users still build so many of their core systems with .NET? Let's find out. First, let's give Python the credit it deserves. If you're into AI, machine learning, data science, automation, or scripting, Python is incredibly productive. Its simple syntax makes it one of the easiest languages to learn, and its ecosystem is unmatched for AI today. For those use cases, Python is an excellent choice. Now let's take a look at the other side and talk about net. When you're building enterprise web applications, financial platforms, healthcare systems, e-commerce websites, net is one of the strongest platforms available. Why? Because it delivers excellent performance, strong tooling, robust security features, long-term maintainability, and a mature ecosystem backed by Microsoft. With technologies like ASP.NET Core and Blazor, you can build modern applications that scale from small startups to global enterprises. Now, let's talk about speed because performance really matters. Python is an interpreted language which makes development fast and flexible. .NET applications are compiled, and modern versions of .NET are among the fastest web frameworks available in many independent performance benchmarks. That means faster APIs, slower server costs, and better scalability for high traffic applications. If your application serves thousands or even millions of users, performance becomes a real advantage. Here's something many developers don't expect. With .NET, you get excellent IntelliSense, powerful debugging, and advanced profiling tools, refactoring support, cross-platform development, and strong cloud integration with Azure. And if you are using Blazor, you can build interactive web applications using C# across much of your stack instead of switching between multiple programming languages. So which should you choose? If your goal is AI, automation, or data science, Python is a great place to start. If your goal is becoming a back-end developer, building scalable web applications, enterprise software, SaaS platforms, or cloud services, learning .NET is a powerful investment. The right language depends on the problems you want to solve. What's your pick, Python or .NET? Tell me why in the comments. If you want practical .NET tips, Blazor tutorials, C# tricks, and real-world projects, hit subscribe because I've got a lot more coming.